Top 30 topics for presentation. Topic number 1. Renewable energy sources. Topic number 2. The impact of artificial intelligence on us. Topic number 3. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Strategies for a sustainable lifestyle. Topic number 4. Effects of climate change on Earth. Topic number 5. Tiny tech, the marvels of nanotechnology. Topic number 6. Effects of pollution. Topic number 7. The importance of cybersecurity. Topic number 8. The pros and cons of social media activism. Topic number 9. Importance of forests. Topic No. 10. Importance of public transport. Topic No. 11. Balancing work and personal life. Topic No. 12. The water cycle. Topic No. 13. Important inventions and inventors. Topic No. 14. Extreme sports, the risks and rewards. Topic No. 15. Online education. Topic No. 16. Teamwork. Topic No. 17. Leadership. Topic No. 18. Hard work. Topic No. 19. Balanced diet. Topic No. 20. Ecosystem. Topic No. 21. Importance of exercise. Topic No. 22. Equality/human rights. Topic number 23. COVID-19. Topic number 24. Introverts versus extroverts. Topic number 25. Importance of AI in education. Topic number 26. Water-saving techniques. Topic number 27. Corruption. Topic number 28. Revolutionary inventions. Topic number 29. Importance of kindness. Topic number 30. Skills versus degree. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.